Good morning, everybody. We will discuss about trigonometric ratio of complementary angle. Trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. In triangle ABC, right angle at B. Let angle A is equal to theta. We know that two angles are said to be complementary if their sum are equal 90 degree. Theorem of complementary angle we will learn previous class, means class ninth, and complementary angle, supplementary angle. Many definitions are discussed in class ninth. Here, since sum of two angle, because total 180 degree, here angle B is 90 degree, so other sum of two angle is 90 degree. Sum of three angle of a triangle is 180 degree. So here angle A plus angle B is 90 degree. Let A is equal to theta. So put the value of A. So here theta plus angle C is equal to 90 degree. So angle C is equal to 90 minus theta. And this is 90 minus theta. So find the formulas. First, sin theta. Sin theta is equal to theta is A, and okay, sin theta is A. What is sine? Sine is opposite side to angle A, means theta, upon hypotenuse. So here opposite side is BC and hypotenuse is AC. Okay, and cos here now other value, cos 90 minus theta. What is cos 90 minus theta? So cos 90 is adjacent side to angle C. This is adjacent side, means BC, upon hypotenuse is AC. So here BC upon AC is in sin theta. Here cos 90 minus theta is equal to BC upon AC. So equation, this is first and this is second. Now from equation first and second, so cos 90 minus theta here, cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta. And second, sin 90 minus theta is equal to, sin 90 minus theta is angle C. So sin is opposite side to angle C upon hypotenuse. So opposite side is AB. So write down here AB upon AC. This is equation first, and cos theta is equal to, what is cos theta? To adjacent side to angle theta upon hypotenuse. So here this is adjacent side, so AB upon AC. imply that equation first and second here, and this is third 2 and this is fourth here. Also let first and second. So that means sine theta means 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. Again third, tan 90 minus theta is equal to, what is tan? Tan is opposite side to angle C, 90 minus theta, and upon adjacent side to angle 90 minus theta. So here AB upon BC and cot, because this is cot according to theta, AB upon BC is cot theta. So cot theta is equal to adjacent side to AB means theta. So here AB upon opposite side. So this is BC. Imply that tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta. Fourth. Sec and cosec also find. Here sec (90 minus theta) is equal to, what is sec? Sec is hypotenuse upon adjacent side. So here adjacent side is BC and hypotenuse is AC. So write AC upon BC. And cosec theta, because AC upon BC according to angle theta. What is AC? AC is hypotenuse and BC is opposite side to angle theta. So this is ratio is cosec theta. So right here AC upon BC, imply that according to these values RHS equal, that means LHS also equal. Sec 90 minus theta equal cosec theta. And next value cot 90 minus theta is here 90 minus theta. What is cot? Cot is adjacent side to 90 minus theta upon opposite side to 90 minus theta. So here BC upon AB. BC upon AB. And BC upon AB according to theta. BC upon AB according to theta. So this is BC is opposite side and this is adjacent side. This is cot theta. So here cot theta is equal to BC upon AB. That means imply that cot 90 minus theta is equal to, sorry, this is tan theta, sorry, because this is at BC is opposite side, so here adjacent side, so this is tan theta. Cot 90 minus theta is tan theta. Next is sec theta. Sixth, cosec 90, this is complementary angle, 90 minus theta is equal to, what is cosec? So cosec is hypotenuse upon opposite side to angle 90 minus theta. So this is opposite side, so write down here hypotenuse is AC and opposite side is AB. With respect to angle theta, what is this ratio? So AC is hypotenuse or AB adjacent side. So hypotenuse upon adjacent side, this is sec theta. So this is sec theta means AC upon AB, imply that cosec 90 minus theta is equal to sec theta. Means all formulas right here, means sine, this formulas also memorize. U 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta, and cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta. This is also proved above. And tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta, and cot 90 minus theta is equal to tan theta. Next is sec 90 minus, this is 90, theta is equal to cosec theta, cosec 90 minus theta is equal to sec theta. So this is the 6 formulae: first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and this is 6. So these formulas used in exercise 8.3. So these formulas are learned and remain. Now we will discuss about exercise 8.3. So exercise 8.3, solve. First question, solve sin 18 upon cos 72. Sin 18 degree upon cos 72 degree. We also know that sine 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. So here is sine 90 minus 72 degree upon cos 72, because if 90 minus 72, this is 18, so we will write sine 18 degree, sine 90 degree minus 72. So according to this formula, sine 90 minus theta is cos theta, so right here cos 72 upon cos 72, so cancel out here, this is 1. Next question, second is tan 26 degree upon cot 64 degree. So we will write the cot tan 26 degree in this form: tan 90 minus 64. If you subtract the 90 minus 64, 64 in 19, 90, so value is 26 upon cot 64. Formulas: tan 90 minus theta is equal to tan theta, sorry, cot theta. So this is cot, this is theta, so this is cot 64 degree, divide cot 64 degree, so cancel out, this is 1, so this is answer. Next is third is cos 48 degree minus sin 42 degree. Use formula: cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta. So here cos 90 minus 42 is 48. 90 minus 42 is 48 minus sin 42 degree, because cos 90 minus theta is sin theta, so here this is sin 42 degree minus sin 42 degree, so this is cancel out, so 0. Next is fourth question. So fourth is, we will discuss here fourth question. Fourth is cosec 31 degree minus sec 59 degree. This is fourth. We will write this cosec 90 minus 59, so this is 31, because use the complementary angles formulas. This is sec 59 degree use formula cosec 90 minus theta is equal to sec theta. So put the value. So this is sec 59 degree minus sec 59 degree. So both are same, but sign is opposite, so value is 0. Next question. Is so that. So first solution, LHS. What is LHS? LHS is 10 48 degree into 10 23 degree into 10 42 degree into 10 67 degree. Use here 10 90 minus 42 and 10 90 minus 67 into 10 42 degree into 10 67 degree. So this is use here formula 10 90 minus theta is cot theta. So here this is cot 42 degree, this is cot 67 degree into 10 42 degree into 10 67 degree. We will discuss in previous class what is cot. Cot is cos upon sine, and we will also know that cot is a reciprocal of tan. So tan is reciprocal of cot. So cot is reciprocal of tan. So this is 1 upon tan 42 degree into this is tan 67 degree into tan 42 degree tan 67 degree. So this ends are cancelled. So this is 1. This is RHS. Next is second question is cot 38 degree cos 38 degree cos 52 degree minus sin 38 degree sin 52 degree is equal to 0. So LHS, write down here, LHS is cos 38 degree into cos 52 degree minus sin 38 degree into sin 52 degree. Now change this value. Cos 90 minus 52 degree. So this is cos 38 into cos 90 minus 38 degree. So this is cos 52 minus sin 38 degree. This is into sin 52 degree. This value not change because this value change, so same value as cancel out. And this formula write down here, cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta. So here this is sin 52 degree minus into sin 38 degree minus sin 38 degree into sin 52 degree. These values are same, so cancel out. So this is 0 and this is RHS. So proved. Next question. Next question, if tan theta is equal to cot tan A is equal to cot B, prove that A plus B is equal to 90 degree. Given that tan A is equal to cot B, imply that tan 90 this tan A is equal to cot. What is cot? Tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta. So this value write down this type. So this is tan 90 minus B. So tan are cancel out. Actually this is not cancel. This is the inverse trigonometry. Inverse trigonometry read higher class. So this is A is equal to 90 minus B, transposing this value, so A plus B is equal to 90 degree. Proved. Next question, if sec 4A is equal to cosec A minus 20, where A4A is an acute angle, find the value of A. Given sec 4A is equal to cosec A minus 20. Now cosec 90 minus theta is equal to sec theta. So write here cosec 90 minus 4A is equal to cosec A minus 20 degree, because this is sec 4A, 90 minus theta is sec theta. So sec are cancelled, so 90 minus 4A is equal to A minus 20 degree. So transposing here, so minus 4A minus A is equal to minus 20 minus 90. So this is 5A minus equal, this is 110 minus are cancel, so A is equal to 110 divided by 5. So A is equal to, dividing 5 1 5, 5 2 10 and 1, so 0, 5 2 10, 22. So this is 22 degree. This is acute angle, because here 4A also acute angle. Next, the last question of this exercise, question number 6. Given that ABC is a interior angle of triangle. So show that sine b plus c upon 2 is equal to cos a by 2. Let we know that angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. So here B plus C, use the angle, also B plus C, angle A is equal to A and angle B is equal to B and angle C is equal to C. This is let and equal 180 minus transpose here A, dividing both side 2. So B plus C upon 2 is equal to 180 degree minus A upon 2. Here now imply that B plus C upon 2 is equal to 180 degree divided by 2 minus A by 2. Imply that B plus C upon 2 is equal to 90 degree minus A by 2. Now LHS, what is LHS? LHS is sin B plus C upon 2. LHS is equal to sin B plus C upon 2. What is the value of B plus C? B plus C 90 minus A by 2. So sin 90 minus A by 2. What is formula? We know that sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. Cos theta. So use here this formula cos theta. So this is cos. This is cos A by 2. So this is RHS. Hence proof. Thank you.